Axis grid drawing. The axis grid drawing module includes rectangular axis grid drawing and circular arc axis grid drawing. Rectangular axis grid drawing. Drawing of rectangular axis grid. It can quickly generate complex rectangular axis grids and enhance drawing efficiency. Click the rectangular grid function. Click on the lower bay to set the parameters. You can click to select the dimensions and quantities. After selecting, click to join. You can also enter the dimensions and quantities manually. After entering the information, click to join. Click on the left depth to set the parameters. You can click the delete button to remove the added axis grid dimensions. After completing the parameter settings, click OK to complete the drawing of the rectangular axis grid. Circular arc axis grid drawing. Next is the drawing of the circular arc axis grid. Click on the depth to set the parameters. Enter the dimensions and quantities. After entering the information, click to join. Click on the circumference to set the parameters. Enter the angle and quantity. After entering the information, click to join. After completing the parameter settings, click OK to complete the drawing of the circular arc axis grid. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.